Welcome, trolls. Bruce sees all.
Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Bonjour tout le monde, merci d'être passé. Vous regardez la lune de Ganymède, une des lunes de la planète Jupiter. So, get some music up for y'all. This is Ganymede. Do you guys find it interesting? Oxygen around it. That's what it is, substantial or not. And I'll get some music up for you guys, but we're going to head off into the Strawberry Moon live close-up footage right after this. This is just giving you an idea. Wow, this is Ganymede, right? So whatever is around it, interacting with space and time, just beautiful. And that's what we're looking at. So thanks for stopping by, everyone. Thanks so much for the support to this channel, and to all new subscribers just arriving. We live stream on Friday mornings and Friday evenings. I'll get the notifications up ahead of time. Enjoy, everyone. Thanks for watching. Oh, that reminds me. Yes, the next video we're gonna have to get in really close to look at more objects on the surface, anomalies, and what looks like constructed objects on the surface of the moon. It's just so incredible, everything that we can see. And even though the Strawberry Moon is a full moon, it's usually the hardest moon to capture with the cameras. When it's full, we don't get much color, but this Nikon D850 is really rocking it on the colors and showing the true identity of the surface, which is really cool. And I'll be noticing the difference and changes and characteristics of the colors and of the surface details as I skim back into the footage at the beginning of the year and get some comparison shots up for you guys this week. Thanks a lot, everyone. Look at that, Mercuricium, just all along it, both sides, east, west, south, even north, all around Mercuricium. Right here, we can see all these beautiful details. Here's Tycho Crater, and all around Tycho Crater, the branching, let's call it, the white objects, all connected, that are hard to see, that on clearer nights we can see them even better when we zoom in. And it's proof of signs of some constructed objects, what I believe, that someone is or was up there building busy at work. What are they doing up there? Are they mining? Were they mining? Are they still mining? Look at the beautiful colors, right? So we have Jupiter, of course, planet, and the Galilean moons that was seen just to the right of the moon. So the stars and planets that are seen close by or in line with the moon often really interact with the surface, of the moon, and changes the surface so much for the color. Look at Mare Serenitatis right here. Just the beautiful colors. It's incredible. Shar Gordon, thanks a lot for the generous contributions, my dear friend. Thanks for being a part of this community. Look on the bottom right. Mare Imbrium, fantastic colors. Mare Serenitatis over top. Look at the greens up there. And that ledge where the supposed 17 landing would have occurred. You can see a lot more detail there. And I will be going back in the footage very soon to see the beginning of the year, the footage, to see if we can see any changes. We are seeing changes, and the changes that I'm seeing are the colors on the surface and the way the surface looks. As for the objects, they seem to be remaining the same. Mons Argeas right here in the corner. Just incredible. The greens, the surface colors, and those three massive lines right there. They keep running by just between Mons Argeas running alongside there. You can vaguely see that there are massive lines going by there, whatever they may be. So the 4K camera is not good enough. The IR I have is better, so I'll be investing in something else. We continue to search. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they're mining really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. There's fire really up there. And they're mining on the moon. Aliens are the moon. Aliens are the moon. And they may be coming soon.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we've had a problem.